everyone! Welcome to our English lesson. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to express likes and dislikes in English. It's an important skill because we all have things we like and things we don't like. So, let's get started! So, like means something you enjoy or prefer. And dislike means something you don't enjoy or prefer. Let's start with some simple examples. If you enjoy something, you say, I like thing. For example, I like coffee. But if you don't like something, you say, I don't like thing. For example, I don't like tea. Section 1. Using like and dislike with verbs gerunds. Now, let's move on to the next part. What if we want to talk about activities we like or dislike? Here, we use a verb plus ing after like or dislike. I like verb plus ing means I enjoy doing this activity. Example, I like reading books. You enjoy the activity of reading books, and I don't like verb plus ing means I don't enjoy doing this activity. Example, I don't like waking up early. You don't enjoy the activity of waking up early. Here are some practice examples. I like swimming or I don't like studying at night. The important thing is to remember to add ing to the verb. So, I like swimming, not I like swim. Section 2. Talking about preferences with love and hate. Sometimes, we want to talk about our preferences more strongly. Instead of saying like, we can say love, and instead of dislike, we can say hate. These words are stronger. Examples. I love reading books. You really enjoy reading books. I hate waking up early. You really dislike waking up early. Some examples could be, I love playing video games, or I hate cleaning the house. So, love and hate are stronger words to express your feelings. Section 3. Common expressions for likes and dislikes. There are also other expressions you can use to talk about your likes and dislikes. Here are some examples. I'm into verb plus ingr. I enjoy this activity a lot. Example, I'm into running. You really enjoy running. Another, I'm not a fan of verbing or I don't like this activity very much. Example, I'm not a fan of cooking. You don't enjoy cooking very much. I prefer verbing or I like this activity more than another one. Example, I prefer swimming to jogging. You like swimming more than jogging. You can also say, I'm into verb plus ing or I prefer verb plus ing. Example, I'm into playing tennis or I prefer traveling to staying at home. These are also great ways to express likes and dislikes. Now, it's your turn. Let's practice. I'm going to give you some wrong example sentences, and you try to make correct sentences using like, dislike, love, hate, and other expression. Ready? First one, I play soccer. I like playing soccer. Second one, I watch TV. I don't like watching TV. Third one, I'm cook. I'm not a fan of cooking. Fourth one, I clean. I hate cleaning. Last one, I reading to watch TV. I prefer reading to watching TV. Great job, everyone! Today, we learned how to express our likes and dislikes in English. We practiced with simple sentences and more advanced expressions like love, hate, prefer, and I'm into. I hope you feel more confident talking about your preferences in English now. Before we finish, let's practice one more time. Here are a few questions for you to answer in the comments or with a friend. First, what do you like doing in your free time? Second, what do you dislike about studying English? And last, what's something you love doing every day? So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more English lessons. See you next time!